Good morning, guys. Thank you for being here. It's Saturday morning. I'm gonna try to get in and get out. And we're at Walmart. So I do have a weekend bonus. For that I need 15 rebates for $5, and then I also have the lemonade one, and for that I still need 18 for the 10. So we're gonna try to tackle that 18 and get our little our $15 and keep it moving. So the music's super loud in here, y'all. Please excuse me. I might have to talk a little louder. This is your first time seeing this lovely face. Oh, down. If this is your first time, I am Chanel. I am your super saver. I'm here to help you save money by using coupons and rebate apps. And so I just deleted Zardy. Like, I know that Zardy lost their funding, so I finally deleted the app yesterday. I went ahead and deleted that one and Field Agent because I realized with Field Agent I only had used it once this year, and I was like, I wasn't sure if it was worth the space on my phone, so I went ahead and just deleted both those two apps. But anyway, so listen, so I have 18 rebates to do today. There will be a Google Doc to help you follow along if that's easier for you. Other than that, let's jump on in. All right, guys, so my first deal is gonna be on the Best Foods Drizzle sauces. These are priced at $3.47. Now, not too long ago, well, actually probably a minute ago, these had dollar hang tags on them, so I'd grab one. So that's gonna be the total down to $2.47 out of pocket, but you're gonna get back $8 on Ibotta. Now, when I submitted this for Fetch Reward, it actually gave me back 2 separate rebates, making that $2. Making this a 53-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is gonna be on the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. It's priced at $1.52. And let me just tell you real quick, Ray's chicken sauce is bomb. It's such a freaking Chick-fil-A dupe. It's not even funny. It's bomb. I'd buy it and I do buy it actually without a coupon on that. So for this, we're gonna grab 3 of these, priced at $1.52. We're gonna use this $1 off 3 coupon right here from our inserts. That's gonna bring that total down to paying $3.56 out of pocket, but we'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta, making them only 18 cents per jar, which is not bad. This is another one I like too, which is the honey chipotle, super good as well. Okay, the other thing that we're grabbing is the Ray's sugar, no sugar added rather. All right, they have 3 different flavors. I scanned them all. The only one that seems to be double attaching for me is the honey mustard one, right? So we're gonna grab that, price at $2.78. We'll use this $1 coupon right here. We'll pay $1.78 out of pocket, but we'll get back a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta as well as a 75-cent, making it only 53 cents. This next deal is going to be on the Lipton tea. It's priced at $2.48. Gonna grab one and use this $1 coupon right here. That'll bring that total down to you paying $1.48 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back 50 cents on Ibotta, 50 cents on Swagbucks, and then I also did a survey on Brand Clip for $2.25. Making this a $1.77 moneymaker. We're also grabbing the Mentos Pure Fresh. They're priced at $3.34. We're getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. I also have a survey for Brand Clip for $2 and then $1 back on Checkoff 51, making this a 41-cent moneymaker. I'm also grabbing the Trident Vibes as well. It's priced at $3.58. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta, and I've also did a survey on Brand Clip for $2.75, making this a 17-cent moneymaker. Okay, and of course, I'm doing the Crunchmaster Avocado Toast Salt and Pepper. Again, now these actually went up in price. They were $2.98, now they're $3.12. Since it's double attached, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab it anyways. And I did try these, you guys, and I actually really like them. Now, I had normally only tried the traditional one, the plain ones, but these are actually really, really good. Like, I really wanna try it with like salsa or like tuna or something like that. But I just tried them plain yesterday, and they were actually pretty good. And then I ended up giving a bag to my niece when she came over too. And so, gonna grab this again. Again, it's priced at $3.12. We'll be getting back 2 separate rebates on Ibotta. One is for $1, one is for 75 cents, making this only $1.37. You already know. Like, you already know. Like, we're doing the Splenda Deal again. If the deal is making this money, guys, we're gonna do it. I mean, I probably got like 173,000 of these at home, but that's okay. It's okay, because I made my money. But listen, anyway, so we're gonna grab the Splenda again. It's priced at $3.83. Again, we're gonna grab 4 of them. We'll be using 2 of these for off of 2 coupons right here from our inserts. That's gonna bring the total down to paying $7.32 out of pocket. Now the rebate for this did drop a little bit. It's only $2.50 versus $3, but it's still a money maker, so we're still gonna grab it anyways. So we'll get back $2.50 times 4 from Ibotta, which is $10, making this a $2.68 money maker. This next deal is going to be on the Perfect Bar. We're going to grab 2 of these, priced at $1.98. I'm only grabbing 2 because the limit on Ibotta is 2, and so is the Fetch Reward as well. So we're going to grab 2, again priced at $1.98. We'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta, plus it's a 10-cent any protein bar as well. And then we'll get back $2 on Fetch Reward, making them both free plus a 14-cent moneymaker. This next deal is on the Glade Warmer, priced at $1.78. We're gonna grab 1 and we'll be getting back $1.25 on Ibotta, which is gonna make it only like 53 cents. This next deal is gonna be on the Clorox. My store is completely out of the Clorox Scentiva, which is what I really wanted to do because it's on Ibotta as well, would have counted towards the rebate. But again, my store doesn't have any, so we're gonna grab the Clorox Bleach, which you can never honestly have too many of or too much of, because I have a lot in my stockpile and I'm just as excited to get more of it. And so for this, we're gonna grab 4 of them. They're priced at $2.82. For the coupon, I'm gonna be using this 50-cent coupon right here. Now, I did order from my Ip Fairy. I'll include her in this screen somewhere because I don't think I have her in the description box. But that's gonna bring that total down to you paying $9.28 out of pocket and getting back $10 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Artada, making this a 72-cent moneymaker. Now, I went ahead and did 4 transactions and submitted on all 4, and they all went through, which is awesome, because who doesn't love free bleach? Plus a moneymaker, bam. So this next deal is on the Old Spice. This is in the trial section. The body wash is priced at $1.56 and the deodorant is priced at 97 cents. So we'll be grabbing 2 of these at a price point of $2.53, but we'll get back $9.75 in points from Shopkick, which is $3.90, making this a $1.37 moneymaker. This next deal is going to be on the Yukotex. They're priced at $2.97 for both 50 count liners as well as the 40 count. So we're grabbing 1 of these. We'll be getting back $8 on coupons.com, the app, as well as $1 back on Ibotta, making it only 97 cents. Okay, here is another repeat deal that you can grab as well on the Revlon pencil sharpeners. These are priced at $2.97. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making it only 97 cents. And the other repeat item is on the Revlon nail clippers. These are priced at $1.97, getting back $1. And honestly, you guys, I've been doing this every single time. Like, low-key feel like I should be getting more than 1, because we go through nail clippers like crazy and you can never ever flipping find it. Like, never. And so 97 cents is not bad. So this next deal is on the Caesar Simply Crafted dog food. It's priced at $1.68. There is a rebate on Ibotta for 50 cents. There's also a 10-cent any dog food, but it didn't work on this one, which is the one that I got. It only worked on this one. So if you're doing this deal, make sure that you get the chicken, carrots, and green beans. Priced at $1.68. Get back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also 50 cents on the coupons.com app, whether you decide to print the coupon or use a digital. And then that 10-cent any will make this only 58 cents or 68 cents. All right, guys, this last deal is on the Dove hand soap. It's priced at $3.97, and I was super stoked about this deal as well. We're gonna grab 1. We're using this $1.50 coupon right here. I believe it's an email coupon, but I got mine from my trusty Ip Fairy, who is always listed in the description box. And that's gonna bring our total down to paying $2.47 out of pocket, but we'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta. Now there's also a rebate on Fetch Reward for 50% back, which is $1.98, making this a $1.01 moneymaker. Now my other Fetch Reward account, I think it's like $1.25 back. And so yeah, either way, it's an awesome deal. Greatest thing about this deal, guys, is a limit of 5. So we're gonna get all 5 free plus $5. Awesome deal. All right, you guys, here is my complete haul for you guys. Look at that bleach. It look bomb. It's funny because I set everything up and I was like, wow, why it looks so small? It's because I forgot the bleach. It was in the car. So I brought the bleach in. I had to bring all of it in, right? And you know how when the pressure builds up, it pops the bottoms out? So I was releasing the pressure so they wouldn't fall over. And now it smells like flipping bleach down here. And I low-key need to open up some windows and doors because your girl's feeling kind of lightheaded. But anyways, listen, this haul worked out to be amazing. As I said before, with the bleach, we did 4 per transaction. I submitted 4 Swagbucks, my points inbox, and ta-da, they went through for all of them, which is always awesome. For the Mentos, I have been doing the dollar rebate on Checkout 51, and I have been getting it. So for that, I did get back the dollar one. All right, so I was really stoked about the Dove and the Clorox. Those were my 2 favorite deals today. In the comments, what are your favorite deals this week as far as Walmart? Me, Clorox, and the Dove by far. You know, they're things that we need, and they're things that we got paid to take, so I would not complain. All right, so everything you see here, actually, you know, let me mention something else real quick. I'm gonna start. Well, I did, but then I stopped. I'm gonna to get back into inserting screenshots of what I'm getting back from my hauls, because y'all know what Brand Club is like. You really never know what people getting back what they say they're getting back, like. Because that's just how Brand Club is. And sometimes things take a lot longer to process. I mean, I still have a haul from the 11th. Mine's already haul, as a matter of fact. I think I had 4 or 5 surveys on there. That's still processing. All right. So I understand that some things take a lot longer. So I'll insert a screenshot of my haul, my first haul for this month, which was the 4th, which is crazy because my first haul for last month was on the 4th as well. And so I'll insert a screenshot of what I got back for that haul. I think I was expecting 21, I want to say. I got back 19, so I'm still, something still pending. But for the most part, I am getting things back now. It's just super flipping slow. But I will say that my last haul, I have gotten back a lot of that. I think that was the haul I did, the L'Oreal and the Clean and Clear. Some of that I got back. I just hate that sometimes we get our surveys back. Bless you, Bug. Bless you, Bug. We get it in pieces. I don't like that. Bless you, Bug. I don't like that we get it back in pieces. Like, it would be nice if you did 5 surveys on one receipt that you would get them all on that day, but you don't. You get like 3, and then the other ones will take forever. So that's one thing I don't like about Brand Club, but it is going okay. It's just going slowly at times. And so I'll insert that for you guys really quick. With the Caesars, I didn't realize that the green one is on Brand Club. This one isn't. I think when I saw it, I didn't look at the price. I just saw it and was like, okay, I'll get this one. But when I clicked on it, it was like for the 10 pack. I still do the survey for this. I'm gonna see if I get it. I'll let you guys know, probably in the community tab, if I actually get it or not, because it said for the 10 pack, not the single. I think the single was that one, the green bean carrot one. That one was. So in the future, I know just kind of just stick to that one, because there is a survey for $1.50 that you can do for that. All right. So everything you see here retails $121.48. We had $27.50 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $93.98. And then we got back $49.60 from Ibotta, $7 from Brand Club, $14.23 from Fetch Reward. Coupon.com was $1.50. Checkout 51 was $1. Shopkick was $3.90. And I was waiting for the Old Spice to reset so I could do it again, but it's still processing slowly. Swagbucks, my points inbox into that was $10. And then Swagbucks had an extra 50 cents for the tea. It brought the rebates back to $115.33, which is awesome. We got back $115 in rebates, which makes this complete haul free plus a $21.35 moneymaker, you guys, which is just awesome. We're getting stuff for free. We're getting stuff we need. We're getting stuff we use, which is even better. So other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.